Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make fried pickled jalapeno bottle caps. Me and my buddy John like to go to this place called Brickside in Bridgeport, West Virginia. A great place, by the way. They serve fried jalapeno bottle caps, and the other day I was just thinking maybe I should make some myself. But I needed to make them a little bit different, so I went ahead and got pickled jalapenos. I don't really know if that makes much of a difference or not, but I mean, I'm trying here. But here's what you're gonna need for this food experiment recipe. 1 15.5 ounce jar of pickled jalapenos, 6 ounces of beer, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, vegetable oil, just enough to cover the jalapenos, and 2 chicken embryos, aka eggs. First, whisk together all your dry ingredients and then your eggs and then finally your beer until fully combined. Then finish off that beer because we don't waste alcohol in this house. After that, drain your jalapenos and then throw them in the dredge and make sure they're fully coated. Between 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 360 degrees Fahrenheit, fry these babies a little bit at a time. Finally, let them drain on a paper towel and then you're ready to eat. And we're back. I've already taste tested these. These taste pretty awesome. The only thing is, though, you might want to amp up the smoked paprika a little bit, maybe a little bit more garlic. I don't know. But they taste good. But now I'm going to try them for the first time using the dip that I made. This is actually a dip that was made by Josh Elkin. I recreated his dip in a video and I recreated it again just for this video here. But let's get to dipping. I already know this is going to be good. I'm excited. I need another one. Try these with blue cheese, ranch, whatever you want. They're good. This food experiment has gone pretty well, I think. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say, and just have fun with it. If you're going to eat a bunch of jalapenos for a recipe knowing damn well that you're going to be paying for it later, just have fun with it. If you're going to make sculptures for a living, just have fun with it. If you're going to be an oral surgeon, just have fun with it. Also, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and then hitting the little bell for the notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, yeah, I know I already said that, please give it a thumbs up, a share, and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.